Hello, welcome to this walkthrough of a typical GCSE vectors problem. This is a more challenging problem, so a little bit more interesting. Let's read the question carefully. OAB is a triangle. B is the midpoint of OR. Well, if you want to, pause and have a go at the question before I walk through it with you. Okay, let's look. Well, O to B is B. So B to R must also be B. These have to be the same because this is the midpoint. Q is the midpoint of AB. So we don't know these yet, but we'll be working those out later. So let's look at the first part. Find in terms of A and B the vectors AB. Well, AB, let's follow it. We're going negative A, negative 2A, plus B, plus 1B. So that's negative 3A, negative 1A, negative 2A, plus B. Should underline those, of course. P to R. So P to R, let's have a look. I'm going to go this way. I'm going to go against the roots that are defined for me. Negative 2A plus a B plus another B. So I've got negative 2A plus 2B. There we go. Now P to Q. I've got to get from there to there. Well, how are we going to do this? Well, P to Q, we'll do a bit of working here. A way to get for P to Q would be to go P to A, which I know, plus A to Q, which I don't know. Well, what I do know though is that A to Q here is half of A to B. A to Q is half of that journey. So I do half A to B. So we've defined the journey in terms of what we know. I make that little journey there and I go from A to Q, which is half of this. We've already worked this out. We've already worked out AB. So PA is A plus half. And remember, AB, we did that in the first bit. Minus 3A plus B. So I've got A plus half, well, minus 3 over 2A plus a half B. I can put that together. 1 minus what is 1.5 really is going to be minus a half A plus a half B. Okay, let's have a look at the next bit. Hence explain why PQR is a straight line. Well, what does that mean? It means we reckon that is a straight line. Well, let's compare PQ to PR. PQ there, sorry, PQ is there. Half, negative a half A plus a half B. PR is here. Negative 2A plus 2B. Notice if I multiply PQ by 4, I get PR. So I could say that PR equals 4 lots of PQ. I multiply this by 4, I get that. Therefore, P, R and PQ are parallel. We know that P to Q and P to R are parallel because PR is a multiple of PQ, and that tells it's parallel. Also, PR and PQ have a common point, which is P. So we've got two lines which are parallel, PQ, PR, they're parallel. We've shown that because PR is a multiple of PQ. They've got a common point, and those are the conditions you need to say that PQR is a straight line. Therefore, PQR is a straight line. So if you show that two vectors are parallel and they've got a common point, it means those 3 points are in a straight line. Right, find the length PR. Well, if PQ is going to equal, 4 lots of PQ equals PR. So 4 times 3 centimeters equals the length of PR. It's just going to be 4 times as long, so it should be 12, you can't see me writing there, sorry, 12 centimeters. I was getting carried away. There you go. That's a very good vectors problem because it involves midpoints, it involves combining roots, it involves parallel lines, it involves showing that points are in a straight line, and then you've got a nice little question on length. Hopefully that's clear. Thank you very much.